sleep. I can't. I know why you see it. I came here because it's Tuesday, and I want to see what noises you can hear.